This is a small tutorial, quick, on how to take one of these Pro Drive external 500 gigabyte hard drives. Anyway, mine's already plugged in, so I'm not gonna take it apart, but you don't really need to take those 4 screws. If you really want to take it apart, you can take apart that one right there. But anyway, first you pry this bar off here. Well, not actually pry it off, but it'll pop, and it might take a little bit, but it won't actually pop. But there'll be little clips right about here and here, averagely, and you just push those in, lift the top off, and you're inside. This is just really quick, so I didn't go into great detail. If you want another video on how to go into further detail, etc., just view it, just comment, and I'll get back.